Hello and welcome back to another edition of Teacher Talks Dogman. Hey friends, check it out. It's the Dogman Guide to Creating Comics in 3D. Awesome, awesome, awesome. In today's video, I'm going to show you the front cover, the spine. We'll read the back of the book together. We are going to open this guy up and see what all the awesomeness is in here. Now in today's video, I'm not going to actually make a 3D comic, but if you guys want me to in another video, put a comment down below and just let me know that you want me to do that. All right, so let's check this guy out. By the way, I just got this 2 days ago. I've been kind of playing around with it a little bit. So it says Dogman Creating Comics in 3D. Awesome. And there's the spine of the book right there. All right, let's see what it says on the back. Want to learn how to create cool comics? Together, George and Harold have created tons and tons of comic books, and now they're going to teach you how to do it. Inside the guide are tips on how to make your very own comic book heroes and villains. Plus, George and Harold will show you how to draw their favorite comic creations like Dogman, Petey, Little Petey, ADHD, and more. Then use the 3D board and glasses to make your drawings spring into action. It says it comes with a drawing board, 3D glasses, wipe off pen, and stickers. Oh, look at that. For all you Captain Underpants fans, it looks like there's also a 3D guide for Captain Underpants. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Check out the first thing that's pretty cool about this whole book is that it opens and it has like a magnet or something. So it's like magnetized and keeps it shut. And then you just kind of pull it open. Very cool. Ready to draw in 3D? Flip open this 3D board to get started. So we'll open that up here. Oh, there you go. There's our 3D board. And then over here, Dogman is go. By the way, how you liking Brawl of the Wild? I'm sorry, not Brawl of the Wild. What's the latest one? For Whom the Ball Rolls. I hope you're enjoying that out there. All right, Dogman drawing and sticker book is over here. Okay, cool. Oh, sweet. Stickers, ADHD, Little Petey. There's Dogman. Oh, wow, there's a bunch of pages of pictures or stickers in here. Cool. Awesome. All right, there's our 3D glasses right here. And there's our pen that has this little cool spot here. We can just take the cap off. All right. Should we do a little test? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Oh, all right, cool. Jeez, teacher talks. Look at that. I'm drawing in the book already. Oh, no. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. It says, Dogman, the ultimate guide to creating your own heroes and villains in 3D. Okay, so this little booklet is what's going to give us the directions and instructions that we need. And it says how to use this book. First, carefully tear out your 3D mask. Do not give it to Dogman or he'll chew it up. That is funny. Number 2 says, customize your 3D mask with stickers from the sticker book. Shazam! Put on your mask whenever you see the 3D signal, like this guy right here, to unlock the 3D superpowers. Cool. You can also use this mask with the 3D wipe-off board to make all your comic creations come to life. Ah, very cool. All right, let's see what else. And by the way, this packet, let's see here. There's about, what do we have here? Maybe 60 pages in this thing. Oh, there you go. All right. Like 60 pages, something like that. So it kind of walks through and gives us a little bit of a synopsis of Dogman and our stories so far. And George and Harold and creating Captain Underpants, it looks like as well. Cool. All right, a little recap, meaning they tell us sort of how Dogman came to fruition or how we came up with Dogman. All right, and then a guide to drawing Dogman. And then I guess you put on the 3D glasses right here. Awesome. All right, part 1, creating a hero. Oh man, this book is awesome. And they kind of walk you through and you talk about details that your superhero is going to have, all kinds of cool, awesome stuff. All right, guys, listen, this is going to be a short video today. I just wanted to give you a snapshot introduction to this 3D guide to creating comics in, well, 3D for Dogman. All right, guys, I hope you appreciated this video. Listen, we're going to keep it short. Right now, Teacher Talks is getting his classroom all ready for the students who are going to be coming in, which means I need to cut out some of my YouTube time, make a little bit shorter videos, at least while the school year is getting up and started. As we settle in a little bit, I think we're going to go back to reading all of those comments and shout outs. You guys can put down in the description if you'd like me to do that, or if you don't mind the videos being shorter, just let me know. Listen, if you're about to start school, don't be nervous. Take a deep breath. Go in there. Do your best. Forget about anything else that's on your mind. Do your best. Be a good person and do good things. All right, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.